Good morning, 8th class students. Open your textbook and notes and get ready for class. In previous class, we are doing sets chapter. Set is nothing but it is very familiar. Set of 8th class students, set of 100 rupee notes, set of mathematics teachers, set of cricket players, set of kabaddi players like that. Set is nothing but collection of well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined objects. Listing all the elements. What are the elements? You have a team. You write all the names of the team players. That is a set. Natural numbers, set of natural numbers, set of even numbers, set of odd numbers, set of even numbers, prime numbers, set of prime numbers, set of composite numbers like that. So these are all defined objects. And each object is called in the maths, in the set language, elements. A, E, I, O, U. A is an element of the set. We suppose. See, we write these sets with listing all the elements and enclose the elements with the curly bracket. With the curly bracket. A, E, I, O, U, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Like this. So now this is the set. 1 belongs to set A, 2 belongs to set A, and 0 is not belongs to set A. There is no 0. There is no 6. Then it is not belongs, right? Belongs and not belongs. And now this is a roster form. And another way is set builder form. We did all these problems in previous classes. Set builder form, in set builder form, this is roster form. We write or listing the elements. We know the elements, but whereas in set builder form, we write only its rule, property. Its property. What are these numbers? Set of first 4 natural numbers. X is such that we write generally in roster form like this. X is such that X is an element less than 5, where X belongs to N, like this. N means natural numbers. First 4 natural numbers, less than 5 means this is the way of writing. Suppose A, E, I, O, U given. A, E, I, O, U are it is the roster form. A, E, I, O, U. These are the elements are given. Suppose you name the set V, capital letters. And what is its rule? The rule of the elements is they are vowels of the English alphabets. See, we have to write like this. X is such that X is an vowel. X is a vowel of English alphabet. English alphabet, like this. This is the way of writing set builder form. After doing this types of sets, there are 12 types of sets: empty set, singleton set, subset, universal set, equal set, equivalent set, finite set, infinite set, and overlap sets, and disjoint sets, singleton set, like that, complement set, and power set. I have explained all these things, sets. You please go through your notes or text. Now we are doing 6C exercise. In this exercise, we are we are learning about union and intersection. Union and intersection of the sets. If two sets are given or three sets are given, find its union and intersection. And how to do, we did in previous class. In union, generally we write all the elements. Union means we know unity bound, union bound, because they are mingling, they are combining, like that. So union, intersection, A union B. Union is written with U, and this is intersection, A intersection B. Whereas in intersection, write only common elements. Suppose X is an element, it may lie in either A or in B, like this. Like when you take one element in union, it may lie in A or B. But whereas in intersection, X belongs to A and we write X belongs to B, means common elements. Suppose you take one element 3, it is there in set A and also in set B. Then this is the meaning of intersection. We are doing this problem, union and intersection. Now, one problem, third problem, 6C exercise, page 98. Page 98. I will explain this. Set A given. Set A given factors of 16. Factors of 16. Set B given factors of 24. B factors of 24. Find A union B, comma A intersection B. Both we have to find. It is easy. First of all, we write the factors of set A given in descriptive form, not given elements, not given. So let us write set A now. Factors of 16 we write. What are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 3 is not a factor of 16. 4, 5 is not, 6 is not, 7 is not, 8, 9, 10, no, 11, no, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. These are the factors of 16. Next, factors of 24. Factors of 24, C, B. Write all factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, no, 11, 12 and 24. In the middle, no factors. Right here and 16. Yes. So these are the factors of set A, 24, sorry 16, and that is 24. Now A union B, combine all the elements. A union B. And what are the common elements you write in? 1, 2, 4, 4, 8. 8. See, 1, 2, 4, 8 are common. You write in intersection. And in A union B, you write in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, and 24. Common 24. These are the elements in A union B. A union B is nothing but combine all the elements. Whereas in A intersection B, write only common elements. 1, 2, 4, 8. Like this. So this is the way of finding A union B, A intersection B. We can represent with the Venn diagram also. What is Venn diagram? Draw circles. Draw circles. Set A, set B, and draw rectangle also. Write the common elements in the middle. 1, 2, 4, 8. And what are the remaining elements in set A? 1, 2, 4, 8. Only 16. This is set A. Set B. 1, 2, 3, 4 are common. Here 1, 2, 4, 8. 3 remaining elements 6, 12, 24. Now this is the representation of Venn diagram. Venn diagram. We call this as Venn diagram. By using this Venn diagram, we can write easily orally. In intersection, only common elements. Second one, intersection. In union, combine all the elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no 5, 6, 8. After 8, 12, 16, 20. Combine all the elements in union and only common elements in intersection. So this is the method of finding union and intersection. And next another problem. Factors of 24. Set A. Factors of 24. And set B. Factors of 36. Factors of 36. Okay. Now let us write. Set A. Factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 16, and 24. And set B. Factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, after 9, next 12, next 18, and 36. These are the factors. Now, what are the common 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. ఎవరు ఏందమ్మా తిన్నాను సరే తెస్తాను see common elements next 6 also 1 2 3 4 6 and the next 8 24 no only up to 6 and write circles set A set B new common elements 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 6 and the remaining elements 8 16 24 and remaining elements 9 12 18 36 now A union B combined all the elements. Number 1, A union B combined all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, next 8, 9, after 9, 12, 16, 18 and 36. And 36. These are the elements in union. 36 and in intersection A intersection B write only common elements. What are the common elements? 1 2 3 4 6 here 8 but here no 18s. Like that you do all these exercise problems tomorrow few more. Thank you.